Hi, I'm Jonathan Wild, and we are going to cover how to account for the sale of plant assets. Now, the best way to understand this is to go through an example. So let's assume we have machinery with a cost of $64,000 and accumulated depreciation of $48,000 on December 31st of the prior year end. This machinery is being depreciated by $16,000 per year using the straight line method. Now on September 30th of the current year, it's sold. The first step we take is to bring depreciation up to date. To do this, we compute depreciation from January 1st of the current year to September 30th by taking the $16,000 of depreciation per year and multiplying it by 9 over 12 months, representing 9 months of depreciation in the year. This gets us $12,000 of depreciation expense. To record the entry, we debit depreciation expense for $12,000 and credit accumulated depreciation for $12,000. Next, let's compute the machinery's book value after this entry. We take the machine's cost of $64,000 and subtract the accumulated depreciation of $60,000, which was computed as $48,000 of previously recorded depreciation, plus the $12,000 of depreciation we just recorded. This gives us a machinery book value of $4,000. Now we are ready to record the sale. And the entry for the sale depends on whether the sale was made for a gain, a loss, or at book value. If the company receives $4,000 cash, which is the same as the machinery's book value as of September 30th, no gain or loss is recorded. In this entry, we debit cash for $4,000, debit accumulated depreciation for $60,000, and credit machinery for $64,000. If the company receives $10,000 cash, which is $6,000 more than the machinery's $4,000 book value, we record a gain. In this entry, we debit cash for $10,000, debit accumulated depreciation for $60,000, credit gain on disposal of machinery for $6,000, and credit machinery for $64,000. If the company receives $1,000, which is $3,000 less than the machinery's $4,000 book value, we record a loss. In this entry, we debit cash for $1,000, debit loss on disposal of machinery for $3,000, debit accumulated depreciation for $60,000, and credit machinery for $64,000.